Fashion is not vanity, it's vocabulary, a silent philosophy written in fabric and light. If the philosophers of the past searched for truth in the mind, today we search for meaning in the mirror. Every morning, the question is the same, not what to wear, but who to be. Clothes are not just our protection, they are projection, the visible dialogue between the world and the self. Beneath every seam lies an idea. Fashion is ontology made visible, a meditation on being. To dress is to declare, I exist. It's also epistemology, a way of knowing ourselves through texture and gesture. The cut, the color, the movement, they form a map of human emotion. Through fashion, we don't just appear, we interpret. We are no longer defined by what we have, but by what we choose to reveal. We live between authenticity and simulation. Our closets are archives of dreams and distractions. One side is speed, the endless churn of trends, the hunger for newness. The other, slowness, craftsmanship, the quiet resistance of couture. Between these extremes, modern fashion finds its question. Can we be true to ourselves in a world that sells identity by the algorithm? The answer lies not in consumption, but in consciousness. Every choice of fabric is a moral act. Every silhouette carries a value. To wear responsibly is to think ethically. To ask, who made this? How long will it last? When luxury returns to its roots, craftsmanship, longevity, sincerity, it becomes more than status. It becomes stewardship, because true elegance doesn't exploit. It endures. Fashion is also political, not in slogans, but in silhouettes. A jacket can be rebellion. A skirt can be power. When Rei Kawakubo removes the shape of the body, she removes expectation. When Vivienne Westwood twists history, she rewrites it. And when Schiaparelli turns anatomy into art, she reminds us that imagination is the last freedom we still possess. In every drape and rupture, fashion whispers. You have the right to be seen differently. The beauty of fashion is not decoration, it's revelation. It teaches us how to see, how to feel, how to create meaning through matter. It's a form of mindfulness. The daily ritual of dressing becomes meditation. In the quiet of morning, when fabric meets skin, we sculpt our own philosophy, not in words, but in form. Style becomes the bridge between what we think and what we become. Fashion as philosophy invites action. Choose with purpose. Wear with awareness. Support creation over imitation. Find your meaning not in excess, but in intention. Because style, at its purest, is not about impressing, it's about expressing your alignment with the world. In the end, philosophy seeks truth. Fashion seeks the courage to show it. Both are mirrors, one for the soul, one for the body. And when they finally meet, style becomes something greater, a way of thinking beautifully.